Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we will dive into the fascinating world of the MEXC crypto exchange. If you're looking for a reliable platform to trade your cryptocurrency, MEXC is an excellent choice. User-friendly interface for all traders. With a user-friendly interface and a plethora of trading options, MEXC makes it easy for both beginners and experienced traders alike to engage in the crypto market. MEXC stands out for several reasons. First and foremost, it offers an extensive range of cryptocurrencies, ensuring that you can find your favorites as well as discover new ones. This diversity allows traders to explore various investment opportunities and maximize their profits. Security is another major advantage of MEXC. The exchange prioritizes the safety of your assets with advanced security protocols, giving you peace of mind while trading. And with a 24/7 customer support team, any questions or concerns you have will be addressed promptly, allowing for a seamless trading experience. Now, let's talk about growth. MEXC has seen a remarkable rise in user numbers due to its competitive trading fees and attractive promotions. This opens up opportunities for you to engage in trading without worrying about excessive costs. If you're ready to start your crypto journey or take your trading to the next level, now's the perfect time to join MEXC. And here's the exciting part. By using my referral code 12K4M5 when creating your account, you will unlock exclusive benefits. This is a fantastic way to enhance your trading experience on MEXC. Not only will you gain access to additional rewards, but you'll also be part of a thriving community that is focused on success in the cryptocurrency space. So, if you're looking to trade on a reputable platform with excellent features, remember the name MEXC. Don't forget to use my referral code 12K4M5 to make the most of your experience. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more insightful content on cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading, and see you next time.